want to get a little bit of like,
Yeah. Okay.
okay. I also just want to talk to you a bit about get some of your feedback, see what you think of some
Mhm.
ideas I had, and then go from there.
Yep,
So
sure.
the overall design, I like it. Like I think you guys can do what I like what I wanted done.
Hmm.
Just the reason I had some concern was like a lot of these sections weren't on the on this document, and that's why I was a bit concerned at that point because I believe we were missing like some of these key headlines. Um, the case
Uh,
studies and stuff are all in
let's
there, but
highlight let's
like the
highlight those section on the doc, so we also know which section we're talking.
okay. So
Mm-hmm.
mm, okay, here we go. Let's come down. So first, we start with the headlines. This is good. I probably want this centered. Actually, first, let's start with a background. So it seems a little bit off from the brand colors, and I want to get your opinion on it because it looks a bit blurry to me. So on these other websites I have, let's say as an example, do you see it look a lot cleaner with just a plain color
Uh,
and the glow?
yeah, yeah.
Do you think it'd be better if we switch the background to like maybe all white and then the glow would be blue? Do you think that would look good, or do you think it wouldn't fit properly?
Mm,
So instead of
yeah.
this, we'd have like a white background with the grid
Mhm.
and then the blue glow.
Yeah, yeah, definitely we can try that. Okay, that
Okay, yeah,
that
can
should
we
help
start
us.
with that and then see how that looks? And if I don't like the coloring, then we could just switch the coloring after and see.
Yeah, okay. Okay, noted.
Okay, but in your opinion, do you think that will work, or do you think it probably won't look good if we do something like
Um,
that?
yeah, I think it will work, but when we change the white background, so then we have to change all the text color and everything. So yeah, if we definitely want to try this, sure, we can try this, but it will take little time actually.
Okay, that's okay. If I need to pay a little extra for that too, I'll do it. I'd rather have like a proper design,
Hmm.
like,
Okay.
and just see what I like. Um, because right now my only issue with this background is that like it looks blurry.
It's actually a design type actually, so it's similar to dotted. So yeah, if you think we should move to something else, sure, we'll try that.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
you
And
rather like white than black, right? So for this design, black will also look good with blue glow actually. So
yeah, we could do that. We could give that a try too. If you think that will look good, we can definitely give that a try as well.
okay, I see.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Mm.
Okay, and
The
so this,
first, sorry.
go on.
The first headline you would like to make it center, right?
Yeah, just like it is here.
Yep, understood.
And then this section was missing on the headline, like the or you don't pay. And they have the section from the other website here without any paid ads. Like, so this isn't from my copy that I sent over. This
Okay,
is from the
okay.
other guy's
This
website.
follows the inspiration app. Okay, okay, I got it.
Yeah. And then, of course, we need to probably change the header. What we can do with the header for the thing is just have the main sections on it and just have it as an anchor. So, like, when they click it, they drop down to the specific section. Does that
Okay.
work?
Yeah, so when someone click, it will scroll them to the exact section, right?
Yeah. So, like, we can have a book or call one here and then just have, like, some of the main sections put up here,
Okay,
like ad creatives, testimonials,
understood.
video, like,
That
those
will
types of
be
things.
anchor menu. Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah. And that's fine. And then you come down, and then what our clients have to say. So, like after the main VSL, and there'll be the book a call CTA. This was missing. So, like right here, there should be this headline: what our clients have to say, and then all the video testimonials I sent in that Google Drive, like either a
Okay,
carousel or something here. So,
we can use the like a slider with videos, or you want them to like read.
like a slider, yeah, that should work. Hold on, let me just.
Okay, we already have slider at the bottom, so we can just move that up here.
Yeah, so because there's two sections for testimonials. There's one where it's written, and there's one that is a video. So there's two separate testimonial sections.
Okay.
Uh, so if you see here, I put all the written testimonials I have at the bottom. So you could maybe do another slider or something like what you have down there. And I'm just gonna send myself the link because there was this setup was okay on the other website. So I'm just trying to open this up. See, let me see if I could find this link real quick. Okay, copy text. Okay, can you still see it? Okay, so on this website, like, yeah, he has a slider here, like this slider section, something like this, like something similar to like how all these videos display. You can figure out what looks good and set it up similar to that.
Yeah, you
And
can slider, right?
yeah, so this slider, like just like something like this, like a slider, that would be fine.
Yep.
Uh, and then let's move on to the next section. Sorry. And so then we're gonna have all these, like so in the case studies. So this section should be next, which it does come up. The only thing I was gonna say is maybe I want to change how this section looks, just because this looks really tight and it doesn't look as good. So I was thinking maybe we can just set it up as three like long ones, or like maybe we could do something similar to how they have it on this website here, like a design maybe like this, but more wider, if that makes sense, like more
Yeah. Understood.
wider,
So
so that we could have all the case studies.
one after another, so it gets more width.
Yeah. So we have like case study one, case study two, case study three, and then we can just have all like this information in it. And then after that, when we scroll down, after that, what does the lead lock-in system consist of? So this section shouldn't be here, the meta ad creative examples. It should be this, that should be moved up.
Mm-hmm.
And I like this design. The only thing I would say is we need to cut out this text because there's no little text over here. It's just kind of the main key like points like this. They're just like
Yeah.
So for this is good. Something we can maybe do for this is similar to how this brand does it. How they just have their kind of key headlines and they have a design done like this. So like this pattern, how it goes up and down is good too. You can maybe just cut it though, like right here and do the design so it's just like a main icon and the headline. Does that make sense?
Yeah. No description. Okay.
Yeah. And then from there, meta ad creative examples. So again, yeah, that should be here. That like we have one here. So this should be cut and it should put down here.
So
That
that
was one
two
thing that,
section would be like
sorry,
just one another.
say that again.
Those two sections should be like reverse. That this one should be in the top and the top one should be
Yeah.
low. Okay.
Yeah. And when you do that section, can we make two rows of the carousel? Because if you see on this website, on the one the other guy started, right here, so I have some graphic posts, which are like picture ads, and then I have video ads. So I wanted like two sections of ads, if you could do that.
Okay. Okay. One is for video and one is for image, right?
Yeah, so we can set up two like this meta ad creative examples, then a row of videos, and then under we'll have a row of photo ads.
Okay.
Perfect. And then this section should not be here. This is from the other guy's website. I don't have this included in my website, so you can cut this out.
Okay.
And oh shit. 1 second. Then we come back here. So after the creative examples, there'll be the final call to action book calendar. So like after we need to cut this stuff out after the ads. Like after we give the examples, it's going to be the calendar link, which I will send you the embedded code for my calendar.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
then after that calendar will be like a testimonial section for written testimonials, which I have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these like testimonials.
Okay.
And
You can add those
so
testimonials here, right? You like the design? This one?
yeah, the design's good. There's just this video ad probably shouldn't be here
Okay, there will be another
because there's no.
testimonial and it will be fit in like 5 testimonial easily.
Yeah, perfect. And then this section shouldn't be here. There's an extra example where we can cut this section out. Then this is the calendar one, which again should be at the top. And then I have the FAQ section, which isn't included here.
Okay, okay, got
So
it.
we need a FAQ section, and then we need a book a call thing again at the bottom, which is just a button that could pull them up to the calendar
Yeah,
or
yeah,
whatever.
just those button, yeah. Okay, call button. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. And yeah, so that's about it. Those are my main concerns. There's just some sections that weren't on the thing and some that didn't get put on.
Mhm.
And then the background color stuff. So if we can figure out the color, like the background stuff, like
Yeah,
if you think
we'll
the
try
black would look good, we could do the
like
black with the
we'll try
grid.
two thing here maybe like the black one or white one. Which one looks good? We'll go with that and we'll show you.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
If you look in the Google Drive I sent you, it has all the stuff in. Like it'll have the two main brand colors of mine. I'm not sure if you looked in that Google Drive, but it has the main blue and the main like it's like a lightish grayish blue. You'll see that it has the codes and stuff in there. I already sent that over to you, so if you need to refer to that, you can. But other than that, the design looks good to me. I think if we get this set up, I'll send you over. Like once you get these designs over to me, if everything looks good, I'll send you over your money, and then we can get started on it.
Yep. Okay. Sure. Mm.
Okay,
Mhm.
perfect. And yeah, that's good for this. The only other question I'm gonna ask you is, in your country, do you take pay? Do you have PayPal or do you need to use Wise for the
Eh,
payment?
I prefer Wise or I also have PayPal.
You do
But
have PayPal? Okay, if you prefer Wise, I can send it over Wise too. That's
yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah. So I can send you Wise email or maybe invoice, which one you like. So you can pay through that. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. How long do you think it will take to get the revisions over?
But I'll go and set a meeting with the designer. So I'll do that
Uh-huh.
and hopefully I can send you an update today, I think. So it should be done today and we'll
Today? Okay.
start working on the website tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay,
Hopefully.
that's fine. Thank you so much, then. Appreciate you getting on the call with me.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Then I will talk to you soon.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Let's talk to you soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. And yeah, yes. Well,